ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम राम। Continue, we also discuss the passing of Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur, Nirjan. गोविंद भय उठासी करो भजन हरिदास कयामी परिमूलंघन। शंखा कीर्तन करे नहीं केमने खाइब महाप्रसाद आनियाछ केमने ए तो बोली महाप्रसाद करिला वंदन एक रंग चले तार करिला भक्षण। और दिन महाप्रभु तार ठाई आइला सुस्त हो हरिदास बोली तारे पुछला नमस्करी तेहु कइला निवेदन शरीर सुस्त है मोर असुस्त बुद्धि मन। प्रभु कहे कौन व्याधि करह तर कहत निर्णय तेहु कहे शंखा कीर्तन न पुराय। प्रभु कहे विद्ध हइला शंखारूप कर सिद्ध तुम साधनी आग्रह कहीं करो। लोक निस्तारिते तुम्हार अवतार नामेर महिमा लोके करिल प्रचार। एबे अल्प शंका करी कर संकीर्तन हरिदास कहे मोर सत्य। निज जाति जन्म मोर निंद कर्म निंद कलेवर हीन कर्मे रत मुई अधम पामर। अदृश्य अस्पृश्य मोरे अंगीकार कइला रौर भइते कारी मोरे वैकुंठे चलाइला। स्वतंत्र ईश्वर तुम्हें हो इच्छामय जगत नाचाओ जारे तुई इच्छा হয়। অনেক নাচাইলা মোরে প্রসাদ করিয়া ব্যক্তির সাধ্য পাত্র খাইন ম্লেচ্ছ হয়া। এক বাঞ্ছা হয় মোর বহুদিন হইতে লীলা সম্বরিবে তুমি লও মোর চিতে। এই লীলা প্রভু মোরে কভু না দেখাইবা আপনার আগে মোর শরীর পরিবা। ধরিল তোমার চরণ কমল চরণ দেখব তোমার চাঁদ কদম। জিহায় উচ্চারিব তোমার শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য নাম। এই মোর ইচ্ছা ছাড়িমু পরাণ। মোর ইচ্ছা যদি তোমার প্রসাদে হয় এই মিলন মোর কর দয়া। এই নিজ দেহ মোর পলুক্ত আগে এই বাঞ্ছা সিদ্ধি মোর তোমাতেই লাগে। প্রভু কয়ে হরিদাস তুমি যে মাগিবে কৃষ্ণ কৃপাময় তাহা অবশ্য করিবে। কিন্তু আমার যে কিছু সুখ সব তোমার দয়া তোমার যোগ্য নহে যারে যাবে আমারে ছাড়িয়া। চরণে ধরি কহে হরিদাস না করিয়া মায়া অবশ্য অদমে প্রভু কর এই দয়া। মোর মধুর শিরোমণি কত কত মহাশয়, তোমার লীলায় সহায় কোটি ভক্ত হয়। আমা হেন যদি কীট এক মরি গেল, এক পৃথিবীটা মইলে পৃথিবী কাহানি হইল। ভক্তবৎসল প্রভু তুমি ভক্তবা মুনি ভক্তাভাস, অবশ্য পুরাবে প্রভু মোরে হিয়াস। মধ্যাহ্ন করিতে প্রভু চলিলাপনে, ঈশ্বর দেখিয়া কালী দিবে দর্শন। তবে মহাপ্রভু তারে করিয়া লিঙ্গন, মধ্যাহ্ন করিতে সমুদ্রে করিলা গমন। প্রাতকালে ঈশ্বর দেখি সর্বভক্ত লয়া, হরিদাসে দেখিতে আইলা শীঘ্র করিয়া। হরিদাস আগে আসি দিলা দর্শন, হরিদাস বন্দিলা প্রভু আর বৈষ্ণব চরণ। প্রভু কহে হরিদাস কহ সমাচার, হরিদাস কহে প্রভু কৃপা। অন্তরে আরম্ভিলা প্রভু মহাসংকীর্তন, অঙ্গনে আরম্ভিলা প্রভু মহাসংকীর্তন। বক্রেশ্বর পণ্ডিতা করেন নর্তন। স্বরূপ গোসাই আদি যত প্রভুর গণ, হরিদাসে বেড়ি করে নাম সংকীর্তন। রামানন্দ সার্বভৌম আর সাগ্রতে, হরিদাসের গুণ প্রভু লাগিলা কহিতে। হরিদাসের গুণ কহিতে প্রভু হইলা পঞ্চমুখ, কহিতে কহিতে প্রভুর বাড়ি মহাস্বরূপ। হরিদাসের গুণে সবার বিস্মিত হয় মন, সর্বভক্ত বন্দে হরিদাসের চরণ। হরিদাস নিজাকৃতি প্রভুরে বসাইলা, নিজ নেত্র দুই ভৃঙ্গ মুখ বলিলা। সহজে আনি ধরিলা প্রভুর চরণ, সর্বভক্ত পদরেণু মস্তক ভূষণ। শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য শব্দ বলে বারবার, প্রভু মুখ মাধুরী পিয়ে নেত্র জলধার। শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য শব্দ করিতে উচ্চারণ, নামের সহিত প্রাণ করিল উৎক্রমণ। মহাযোগেশ্বর প্রায় দেখি সচ্ছন্দে মরণ, ভীষ্মের নির্জান সবার হইল স্মরণ। হরি কৃষ্ণ শব্দে করে কোলাহল, প্রেমানন্দে মহাপ্রভু হইলা বিহল। হরিদাসের তনু প্রভু কোলে কইল উঠাইয়া, অঙ্গনে নাচেন প্রভু প্রেমাবিষ্ট হইয়া। প্রভুর আবেশে অবশ্য অবশ্য ভক্তগণ, প্রেমাবাসে সবে নাচে করেন কীর্তন। Continue. We also discuss about the passing of Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur Mirza. How Haridas Thakur left from this material world. So you are discussed according to instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Govinda, with the servant of personal servant of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Govinda, he brought some Mahaprasad. And that time Haridas Thakur, he was laying on his bed. And chanting his rounds very slowly. Then Govinda, very humble, asked, "Ye Prabhu, please rise and take your Mahaprasadam." Haridas Thakur replied, "Today I shall observe fasting." সংখ্যা কীর্তন করে নাহি কেমনে খাইব, Mahaprasad Aniya Kamani. I have not finished chanting my regular number of rounds. So how then can I eat? But you have brought Mahaprasad, so how can I neglect it? Yes. Because Mahaprasad and Naam Brahma same. Mahaprasadi Govinde Naam Brahmani Vaishnavi Sarvapurnam Vadam Rajan Vishasa Visan Mahaprasad Harinam Vigraha Vaishnava. These four things are transcendental. So Haridas Thakur told, so how can I neglect this Mahaprasad? This Mahaprasad is not even from Lord Krishna. Then Haridas Thakur just offered a prayer to Mahaprasad and took a little portion and ate it. The next day, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Haridas Thakur's place and inquired from him, Haridas, are you well? नमस्कार करते हो कोई निवेदन शरीर सुस्त हरे मन असुस्त बुद्धि मन. Haridas Thakur offered his obeisances to the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and replied, my body is all right, but my mind and intelligence are not well. प्रभु का एक कौन व्याधि कहत निर्णय तेहु के शंका कीर्तन ना पूरा. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu further inquired from Haridas Thakur, can you ascertain that what your disease is? Then Haridas Thakur replied, my disease is that I cannot complete my chanting around the holy names. Shankha Prabhu नाम करने पास. प्रभु का ये विद्या संकल्प करो सिद्ध दो तुम्हें साधने आग्रह केन करो. Now that you have become old, Lord said, you may reduce the number of rounds you chant daily. But you are already liberated. So therefore, you need not follow the regulative principles very strictly. Those who are liberated soul, sometimes they are not following all regulative principles. Unless one who has come to the platform of spontaneous love of God, he must follow the regulative principles. जब तक साहबी रूप में भगवान के प्रति अनुराग नहीं हो तो तब तक वे रेगुलेटिव प्रिंसिपल जो है वो पालन करें. So Haridas Thakur was the living example of how to follow the regulative principles. Similarly, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami was also such a living example. In Sarvastra Goswami Astakam, it is stated, Sankha Prabhuka Nama Gana Nativi Kala Avasanu Krito. The Goswamis, especially Raghunath Das Goswami, strictly followed all the regulatory principles. The first regulatory principle is that one must chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra loudly. Enough so that he can hear himself, and one must have to chant the fixed number of rounds. Not only as Raghunath Das Goswami is chanting a fixed number of rounds, but he has also taken to how to down many times and offer obeisance to Lord. Condition so should we follow the regulative principles. 4 regulative principles. First, you have to follow. What is that 4 regulative principles? You know? What is that 4 regulative principles? Because without following the 4 regulative principles, no one can develop his spiritual life. What is the spiritual? Even he will not develop his material life. Yeah? If you not follow the 4 regulative principles, you cannot develop your material life. What you say, the spiritual life. Yeah? Animals, they are not following the rules and regulations of the society. But this regard, sometimes I talk about Manu Smriti, Manu Samhita Katha. Manu is the first son of Brahma. And now in the dynasty of Manu Satarupa, the Manav human being has come. For this regard, Vedas explain you have to become human being. Manusya Banu. Manusya Banu, you have to become human being. That means you are always a human being. And we have 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears. We have no horn and no tail. Understand? We have no horn and no also tail. Animals, they have horns and tail. But those people are not following the 4 principles. Just absorbed with the 4 things: eating, sleeping, defending, and mating. They are non-different from animals. So in our Sargoswami Astakam, we see all our Goswamis, how did they perform bhajana in sadhana? Sankha Prabhuka Nama Gana Nativi Kalo Avasana Krito Nitra Ahara Vihara Vidikantu Tatma Dinam Radha Anandina Sanmohito Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Srimad Acharya, he composed this verse about 6 Goswamis. How did they perform bhajan and sadhana in Vrindavan? 56 danda ratri dine Radha Govinda bina nahi jane. Sapane chari danda sute thake sapane Radha Govinda. Day and night they chant holy names. 26 minutes. Ek danda means 24 minutes and 24 minutes. So calculate day and night, how many danda? 60 danda. Do you understand? 60. 60 dandas. Eh? Just for Goswamis, they took rest only 4 dandas. So 4 dandas means how many minutes? Mathematics? 96 minutes. That means 1 hour 36 minutes. Eh? But when in this way they perform bhajan sadhana Vrindavan. Yeah. But 1 hour 36 minutes also they are going to bathroom and going to the house of Brajavasi, earning some alms, bhiksha, madhupuri. And when they took rest, sleep, then in their dream coming, Radha and Krishna. One day I told that Brajavasi, also he absorbed with Srimati Radhika. When the merchant, the Sethi, and sleep, then Srimati Radhika have to come in his dream. In the same way, when our Goswamis, they took rest, sleep, at that time in the dream had come about Radha and Krishna. Sapane Radha Krishna. Charidanda Sute Thage, Sapane Radha Govinda. At 56 dandas, they absorb with chanting holy names. And sometimes they are writing books. Sankha Buka Namagan Tivi Kalavasanu Kritu Nidra Ahar Vihar Vavito Chatandino Chayu Radha Krishna Guna Smiti Madhurima Anandana Sanmohitu Vande Rupa Sanatano Yogajugo Shijiva Gopalako. So now coming in this way, everybody have to follow the 4 regulative principles. लोग निसर्ग तुम्हार अवतार नामेर महिमा लोके करिला प्रचार. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued, told him, your role in this incarnation is to deliver the people in general. You have sufficiently preached the glories of holy names in this world. Mahaprabhu gave him this title, Brahma Haridas. Haridas Thakur, Brahma Haridas, Nama Brahma, who has realization about Nam, Nama Brahma Haridas Thakur. And Mahaprabhu gave him title Namacharya. Haridas Thakur is known as Namacharya because it is he who preached the glories of chanting holy names, the holy name of God, by using the word Tumar Avatar, your incarnation. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu confirms that Haridas Thakur is the incarnation of Lord Brahma. And Sri Bhaktisiddhanta Srila Prabhupada says that advanced devotee helps the Supreme Personality of Godhead in his mission, and such the devotees or personal associate and incarnated by the will of Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord incarnated by his own will, and by his will complete devotees who incarnated to help him in his mission. Haridas Thakur is thus the incarnation of Lord Brahma, and other devotees are likewise incarnation who help in the procession of the Lord mission. Haridas Thakur is called the incarnation of Nam Brahma. Super Desigar is saying, Ek Tumar Avatar. This is your incarnation. Haridas Thakur, he chanted 3 lakhs holy names. Sakshat Nam Parabrahma manifested in his tongue. हाँ वृंदावन যাচ্ছেন আর কে যাচ্ছে এবে অল্প সংখ্যা করি কর সংকীর্তন হরিদাস কহে শুনো মোর সত্য নিবেদন Lord concluded, now therefore, and please reduce the fixed number of times you cannot be. You chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Haridas would reply, kindly hear my real feel. Haridas Thakur told, please listen my real prayer. What is the prayer of Haridas Thakur? Nijjati janmor ninda kalevar hin karmera tomoi adhama pamar. Haridas Thakur very humbly he told, I was born in very low caste family and my body is most abominable. I always engage in low work, therefore I am the lowest and most contaminated of men. मेरा शरीर अपवित्र अदृश्य अस्पृश्य मोरे कोइल अंगीकार रौद्र भूतकारी मोरे वैकुंठे चढ़ाइला. I am अदृश्य, I am unseen. कौन मुझे दिखेगा? I am untouchable, and you have accepted me as your servant. That means you have delivered me from the hellish condition and raised me to the Vaikuntha platform. स्वतंत्र ईश्वर तुम्हें हो दया इच्छामय जगत नाचाओ जारी जो इच्छा है. Dear Lord, you are the fully independent personality of Godhead. You act by your own free will. And you cause the whole world to dance and act as you like. अनेक ना चाइला मोरे प्रसाद करिया विप्रेर शब्द पात्र खाइनु म्लेच्छ हइया. Haridas Thakur very humbly told, my dear Lord, by your mercy, you have made me dance in many ways. For example, I was offered the Shraddha Patra, which should have been offered to be the first class Brahman. I ate from it, even though I was born in the family of meat eaters. Meat eaters, मांस खाने वाले. तो लिखा है म्लेच्छ. Although born in the family of meat eaters, Saimar explained, म्लेच्छ means meat eaters. खाया मछली खाया, और मांस भी खा लिया. Huh? Most of the 80% people of in Western country. Huh? पाश्चात्य देश में 80% people, they are meat eater. Huh? It or wrong? So Haridas Thakurji, Haridas Thakur also very humble he is saying. I born in the family of a meat eater, but I took Mahaprasad in the Advaita Acharya father's ritual ceremony. Advaita Acharya, he arranged his father's ritual ceremony and Shraddha. Then he called, invited all the Brahmanas, Chatterjee, Banerjee, Gangopadhyay, Mahapadhyay, Mukhopadhyay, all they came. All the Brahmanas, high class Brahmanas, they came. But Advaita Acharya, he offered the Mahaprasad first plate to Haridas Thakur. Then all the Brahmanas, they become very angry. They told, oh, we are high class Brahmana, but Haridas Thakur, meat eater. Why did you give him first plate of the ritual ceremony of your father? They become very angry. And they left Advaita Acharya's house. But at that time Haridas Thakur very humble told Prabhu, why did you give me this first plate of your father's ritual ceremony? Haridas Thakur told, if you are actually a real Brahmana, तुम्ही खाइले कोटि ब्राह्मण से बाहर. Advaita Acharya told Haridas, if you eat this Mahaprasad of my father's ritual ceremony, that means I serve thousand, millions of Brahmanas. Because you are real Brahman. Who is real Brahman? One who chants holy names. Aho Patasapachati Variyan Jad Jihagre Patati Ramatubhyam Te Pustaka Susma Raja Prabhu Gurnam. Srimad Bhagavatam gives it. One who chants pure holy names, Suddha Nam, he is called pure Brahmana and perfect Brahmana. Advaita Acharya, first Advaita Acharya, he offered the first plate of his father, a ritual ceremony. Then all the Brahmanas became angry and left the house of Haridas Thakur. They left Advaita Acharya. Then Haridas Thakur very humble told Prabhu, why did you do this? All Brahmanas, they are not happy with you. Then Advaita Acharya told, Tumi khaide koti Brahmana seva. And if you eat this my father ritual ceremony, that means I serve millions Brahmanas. Because one who chants holy names, he is higher than Samavedi Brahmana. So aho pato sacho samajito garyan jad yahagre vartate namatubhya. Even that dog-eared mlecha chanting holy names is higher than Brahman. But the smart Brahman, they don't want to accept responsibility. Smart Brahman, he ग्रहण स्वीकार नहीं करना चाहते, किंतु श्रीमद् भागवतम gives evidence. Understand?
ब्राह्मण से नीची श्रेणी में किस तरह?
नहीं, जो शुद्ध नाम करता है वो सामवेदी ब्राह्मण से श्रेष्ठ है. One who chants pure holy name, he is higher than सामवेदी ब्राह्मण. ब्राह्मण है वो सत्सजाति विशिष्ट. शुद्ध वैष्णव, प्योर डिवोटी ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा, शुद्ध वैष्णव. As a Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur, he is the pure Vaishnava. अहो बद सर्वचित गरियाम जद याग्रि पते नाम तुभ्य. ठीक है.
जो नहीं करते,
कौन नहीं?
जो नाम अपराध करते हैं, हरि नाम करते हैं लेकिन नाम अपराध करते हैं.
But if he follow the four principles, also he is higher than the simple Brahmana, not Samvedi Brahmana. Understand? This is also clear. If you not chant pure, if you chant pure holy names, Shuddha Nam, then you are the higher, the Samvedi Brahmana. And in our Vedas explain Samavedi Brahmana. How many Brahmanas? 4 types of Brahmana, Chaturvedi. Rigvedi Brahman, those who are following the Rigvedi Brahman. Those who are following the Samavedi Brahman. Samved, Rig, Sam, Juju, Atharva. So Samavedi Brahmanas, they are very higher class. Samavedi Brahmanas, they chanted Gayatri mantra, following all the principles of the scriptures. But they completely bound with the rules and regulation of the Vedas. Ved के द्वारा बंधे हुए हैं. But they are very higher class Brahman. Who? Samvedi Brahman. Understand? Who is called Samvedi Brahman? Those Brahmanas follows the Samavedi Brahman. And Samved, 4 Vedas, Rig, Sam, Jaju, Atharva. So Samved. And Samavedi Brahman, they are called high class Brahman. Understand? They chanting holy names and they following all the rules and regulations, regulatory principles. So one who chants pure holy names, he is higher than Samvedi Brahman. Maybe your question is coming, no one, if anyone not following the, not chanting 64 rounds holy names. Understand? But he is not higher than the Samvedi Brahmana. Samvedi Brahman के ऊंचे होने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? If you want to and higher than Samvedi Brahman, you have to chant pure holy names. This is the proof. This is it.
Samavedi Brahmanas are considered highest of other Vedas.
Samvedi Brahmana, they are higher. Because they worshipped Thakurji very nicely. And chanted all mantras in proper way. Understand? According to a rhythm of Vedas mantra. They are chanted. And they are proper way, they are following the 4 principles. What is it?
like Chaturvedi, sometimes you say Trivedi, not Trivedas, Chaturvedi, 4 Vedas is not being higher than those who only get 1 Ved. I don't know.
Those who are only following the rules and regulations of Trived, Rik, Sam, Jaju, they are called Trivedi Brahmana. Chaturvedi Brahmana, those follow all the rules and regulations of 4 Vedas, they are called Chaturvedi Brahmanas. Those who are following the only rules and regulations of 2 Vedas, they are Divedi Brahmana. Divedi. Divedi, Trivedi and Chaturvedi. Understand? Because Brahmanas, there are also many, they are categories. Understand? Chaturvedi Brahmana, Divedi Brahman, Trivedi Brahmanas. They have knowledge about 4 Vedas. First they are Chaturvedi Brahmana. Those who have only the knowledge of 3 Vedas, they are Trivedi Brahmana. समझ में? And those who have knowledge about 2 Vedas, they are the Divedi Brahmana.
Brahmanas, those who are Samavedi, they offering Thakurji, doing puja, they are not Vaishnavas, they are Vaishnavas or not?
They are the Brahmana. Who is called Vaishnava? One who chants pure holy names is called Vaishnava. Then, because the Brahmanas, they completely bind with the rules and regulations of Vedas. Actually, they are called this completely and Karma Kandi. Karma Kandi, you understand? Maybe Karmeshwara Bhakti is there, but they mostly also bind with the Karma Kanda. Karma Kanda. This is the thing. Because Trigunna Visa Veda, Krishna told to Arjuna, Gita, Trigunna Visa Veda. Vedas also discuss about different activities of Lord. So Trigunna Visa Veda, Naistirgunna Bhavarjuna. Veda, 2 things are there. One is Karma Kanda. Veda 3 things: Karma Kanda, Gyan Kanda and Bhakti Kanda. Those people, Brahmanas, they are completely absorbed in Karma Kanda. Karma Kanda means here, they worship Thakurji, their aim and object, how to attain heavenly planet. Karma Kanda. Worshipping many demigods, demigoddesses, and offering flowers. That is called Karma Kanda Brahmana. Gyan Kanda Brahmanas, they are acquiring the knowledge of the Vedas. And that is Gyan Kanda Brahmanas. And Bhakti Kanda, they are only specific way concentrated with Krishna. But this is very, very rare. And mostly Brahmanas, they are called Smartha Brahmanas. They follow all the rules and Smriti Shastra. Shruti and Smriti, 2 parts. Shruti means Vedas, Smriti means which are following the some rules and regulations and worship many demigods and demigoddesses. That is called Smartha Vibhaga. Vedas, actually, what is the significance of Vedas? Veder Pradikya Kahe Kevala Krishna. Vedas actually refers to Krishna. But Brahmanas, Smartha Brahmana completely elucidated by Maya, they don't understand at the actual what is the real meaning of Vedas. For this regard, they worship many demigods and demigoddesses. Om Indraya Swaha, Om Varunaya Swaha. When they perform fire sacrifice, they offering the grains to the fire and chanting all devatas. Indra, Varun, and these devatas. Actually, these devatas names, so many of you, why Vedas manifested their names? Actually, who is Indra? Origin of Indra, Krishna's name. Understand? Huh?
What does it mean, this name?
Huh?
This name of Krishna, what does it mean?
Krishna gave his all the names to the demigods. Actually, this is they are not names, this is their position. Brahma is position, Indra is the position, post. But when they used to go that post, they think, I am Indra, I am Brahma. They completely elucidated by Maya. Actually, this. Indra actually not into one person. Brahma is not into one person. Brahma, Indra, they are called the post. Give an example, one is lawyer. Sometimes we are not taking his name, but saying. One person's name is Ramdas. Ramdas is the lawyer. But no need to call him lawyer. Call him Vakil Sahab. That means a lawyer. So now coming in this way, so Indra actually not the person. Indra actually is called the post. And one who comes in the post of Indra, he thinks I am Indra. Mostly that time he also absorbed in post and is giving his own identification, I am Indra. Actually he is not Indra, he is his name is there. Just to give an example. One lawyer. So how to call to him? You can direct utter his name. You can write. Or without taking his name, also call him a lawyer, you also give a response. In the same way, Indra, Brahma, that is called the post. But one who comes in the post, he completely what? Absorbed. Proud kind. This. Understand or not?
But sometimes Gurudev, in Brahma's post, Hiranya Garbha Brahma is Bhagavad Tattva. Right? Hiranya Garbha Brahma is Bhagavad Tattva.
अरे भागवत तत्व नहीं स्वयं भगवान भगवत
So he's not elucidated, is he?
अरे ब्रह्मा is भगवान how was elucidated? There is no question. But who is the Vairaj Brahma Jivat? He elucidated and also proud of his own post. He is very proud of his own post. Leader. But general way people call him Brahma or Indra. Actually he is post. Here is the lawyer coming. So sometimes how we call to him? If you know his name or you don't know his name, so how to call to him?
Yes.
Lawyers. Hey lawyer, please come. Hindi words that is called, what is saying? Vakil Sahib. And he is very proud of his own post. Vakil. So he comes. No need to utter his name. Yes. Very difficult to understand Indian culture. For this regard, speaking too much. If you speak to Indian people, they are very easy to understand. Our Western people, very difficult to understand. Explain more and more and more. Even I saying 1,000 times saying Bokil with you, what is a Bokil? And Bokil means? Bokil. Very difficult. So the Ahobata Subachota Varyan Jaj Yagre Vartate Nama Tukhan. One who chants pure holy names, he is higher than Samavedi Brahmana. And who is not chanting pure holy names, maybe Namabhas, Namaparat. So he is not higher than Samavedi Brahmana. But he is higher than to the ordinary Smarta Brahmana. This is true. If you follow the 4 principles and chanting holy names, maybe your holy names is not pure. What holy names you are chanting? Maybe Namabhas, Namaparad. But still you are higher than ordinary Brahman, not Samvedi Brahman. You cannot compare to Samvedi Brahman. You will be higher than Samvedi Brahmana if you chant pure holy name. This is the thing. We think, oh, I am chanting holy names, so I am higher than somebody Brahman. This is offense. Who is higher than somebody Brahman? Oh, but the Sochipati is one who chants pure holy names. Brahmanas, there are also many kinds of Brahmanas there. Not the same Brahman, all kinds of Brahmanas. There are also some different higher caste, lower caste Brahmanas. Brahmanas also many categories. They have also Divedi, Trivedi, Chaturvedi.
Mainly in the south now, right? Samavedi Brahmanas are mainly in the south. If you can also do that probably.
Yeah, mostly in South India, there are Brahmanas very experts how to recite the mantra. These things. Mantra Vibhag. Vedas also many kinds of section. Understand? Many kinds of section. Mantra Vibhag, Aranyak Vibhag. Mantra Vibhag. When you perform fire sacrifice, that time need 4 Brahmanas. Understand? Now we are not doing just 1 person here now. But if you properly do, need 4 Brahmanas. Need. Understand? And that Brahmana different, they are also active. Experts. Some they also beautifully chanting mantra. His duty is what? Proper way chanting the mantra. Mantra Vibhag Brahmana. And another kind of Brahmana is very expert to how to collect, how to make the, what is called? Kusandika. Kusandika, how to make the decoration of the Jagrasthali. Understand? And another Brahmana is expert how to collect all kinds of ingredients. Brahmana, this is their duty. If you go Radharaman temple, there is one Brahman, he is worshipping doing arati. And another Brahmana, his duty to collect the ingredients. He will not wash the, what is called? Ghee lamp. This is duty, another one. He is Brahmana. His duty is what? What's the his duty to make the garland. Understand? Mantra Vibhag, different. Aranyak Vibhag. One Brahmana, just they chant the mantra. Chant the mantra. Another Brahman just offering the ghee. Understand? He will not, one who chants the mantra, he will not offering the ghee. Taking the ghee, offering swaha, swaha. But we are doing everything. But the Brahmanas, the four Brahmanas, their duty is there. One of Brahmanas, when the wood finish, then he will offer the wood. Understand? For a Brahman. And another Brahman, last Brahman, his duty when fire sacrifice, when cleaning everything. This is and that donation will come also in the same way. Not equal. Who is chanting mantra, he will take 50%. Or who is offering ghee, maybe he will get how many percent? 20%. And who is offering wood, 10%. And we cleaning another 5% in his hand. Smart Brahmanas. This is, they are also this. Understand?
So everybody wants to chant mantras. So everybody wants to chant mantras. Because 50% will be.
So I am doing alone, I am taking all donation. Three Brahmanas, donation I am taking all my pocket. Mine and also three Brahmanas, because I am doing, I am offering ghee, chanting, mantra, and cleaning it. Yeah. Vedas explain this way. Which Brahman will do this thing? This one.
You know, with mantras, like Smarta Brahmanas, we say, if not proper pronunciation, there's no realization of mantras. If you chant Gayatri mantras, there's not proper realization.
Realization no need. Brahmanas, they are doing this, Smarta Brahmanas. They have to chant proper pronunciation. Smarta Vidhan. Proper renunciation. If not proper renunciation, what is called? Pronunciation, then mantra will not give the perfect fruit. ठीक से मंत्र उच्चारण नहीं करने पर मंत्र वो नहीं देंगे, फल नहीं देंगे, बा उल्टा हो जाएगा. इंद्र शत्रु विवर्धस्य, इंद्र शत्रु विवर्धस्य मंत्र भागवत. If you not properly chant the mantra, you cannot get fruits also.
Also in bhakti, misconsideration. Also in bhakti, misconsideration.
क्या बोले?
Bhakti maybe. Even in bhakti,
Bhakti is saying this way, Vishnayanama Vishnayanama, Bhavagrahi Janardana. If you worship Thakurji, if you worship Thakurji, and if you are Vaishnava coming in there, then Lord accept your mood. Even your pronunciation is not perfect, Lord will accept your. But if you perform the fire sacrifice, this is karma kanda, then properly pronunciation. Otherwise, you will not get fruit. You will not get any benefit, and one who arranges the fire sacrifice also he will not get any benefit. Understand? Huh? This is the main thing. Because this is karma kanda. But this is a Mahamantra. Hare Krishna. There is no rules and regulations. Khaite suite jatha tatha naam la. Harinam is very powerful. Naam Jagga. Kali Yuga is Jagga is what? Naam Jagga. That is Jagga Kunda. Our mouth is Jagga Kunda. Kunda, Jagga Kunda, what is it? And so that the spoon is like our tongue. Ghee, that is your mantra. Understand? When you fire sacrifice this means. So our Vaishnava explanation is very Kali Yuga. What is the fire sacrifice? You have to perform fire sacrifice. So our mouth is, Vaishnava mouth is called Jagga Kunda. Our tongue is called spoon. If you are taking the spoon and use Swaha. And ghee, what is the ghee? Ghee is one Harinam, Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare. Come here. So Kali Yuga Naam Sankirtan Jagga. So maybe you saying why Gopal Bhatta Goswami manifested Satkriya Sat Divika about hair sacrifice. With Satkriya Sat Divika. And Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Why? Because you are not pure Vaishnava. And if you are pure Vaishnava, then your humility will come, then will come. So for this regard, you have to follow all the rules and regulations of the principle. And for Parve, you have to participate. And if you are Shuddha Vaishnava, then no problem. Understand? If you do fire sacrifice, you have to take bath. Completely you are Shuddha Sadachar. Your clothes should not contaminate. Understand? Your clothes contaminated or not? After passing urine, you have to wash. If you not wash, the rest of the urine also touch your cloth or not? For this regard, Shuddha Sadachar. So if your cloth is contaminated with your urine, so how you will worship Thakur? So when you go to the passing the urine, पेशाब के लिए जाओगे, पानी लेकर के जाना चाहिए और उस पानी के द्वारा पेशाब दर को धोना चाहिए पवित्र। वेस्टर्न टूल 80% जब करें किया ही खड़े हो गए पेशाब कर दे चला गए। Most of the Western devotees, I am looking, watching. They are not taking water when they passing the urine. The rules is one. When you passing the urine, you have to take the water and wash your area of the passing water. Urinal. पेशाब दार को धोना चाहिए ना। This is the simple way, general knowledge. When you are passing the water, urine, the rest of urine sometimes is also there and contaminate your cloth or not. So you contaminate your cloth, so how to worship Thakurji? This is very important. And another things also, sometimes it's very difficult, especially Western country. And it should not, according to the rules, sometimes we are not following the rules also, but this is true. You should not passing water, urine, standing position. Understand? But Western country very difficult for us. Our Shastra saying no, you have to sit. Understand? These are. And after passing water, you have to wash your hands and legs also. And पेशाब के बाद हाथ पैर को धोना भी चाहिए, understand? जनरेटर को धोना चाहिए और हाथ पैर को भी धोना चाहिए, मूत्राशय को धोना चाहिए और हाथ पैर को भी धोना चाहिए. क्यों कहीं जब पेशाब करे तो कहीं छिटक करके पैर में ना गिर जाए, इसलिए धोना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? When you passing water, urine, that time maybe some drops touch your feet. And for this regard, after passing water, when passing urine, you have to wash your hands and legs. This is important. This is the Suddha Sadhana. Mostly Western people not washing their, especially England, very hot, very cold. But no, have to. Understand?
Mouth also?
Mouth can do, not do. This is not, but need is hands and legs. This way. Otherwise, how will perform the fire sacrifice? Brahmanas means always follow the rules. Shruti Smriti. For this regard, Vedas explain all this. Aranya, mantra, Vedas also is. Mantra vibhag. Vedas two parts. One is called Aranya and mantra. Understand? Mantra vibhag is there. How to chant the proper with this mantra pronunciation. Understand? Chant Gayatri properly. Om, Om, Vaha. That is Udatta, Udatta, Sari. This is the rhythm. How to chant the proper mantra. Aranya, how to follow the four principles. If you speak too much, Western country, Western devotee, they become crazy. Well, not possible for them. Understand? But this is the process. For this they are giving, okay, chant holy names and you pure. But some rules have to follow. In this word, this is Vishnaya Nama or Vishnavaya Nama. Bhavagrahi Janardhan. God accept your and mood. So here Haridas Thakur very humble told, Prabhu, I born in Muslim family, Mlecha family. But you gave me the first plate of Brahmanas. ब्राह्मण के दिए हुए जो वस्तु है वो मुझे दे दी. हरिदास ठाकुर क्या अद्वैत आचार्य टोल तुम्हें खाइले कोटी ब्राह्मण है ब्राह्मण सेवा. हरिदास ठाकुर the pure devotee of Lord. Understand? Manusanam sasyasu satrajati vishisate. Thousands of human beings. Manusanam satrajati vishisate. One Brahman is satrajati Brahman. Brahmana is satrajati. Because Brahmanas is the highest. Brahman is highest. Highest caste. But thousand Brahman, maybe one Satyajati Brahman. Satyajati Brahman, those who are expert to following the regulative principle of worshipping Thakurji. And millions of Satrayati Brahmanas, one Brahmana, Ekantiki Brahmana, one point is it. Because most of the Brahmanas, they worship demigod, demigoddess, smart Brahmana. And Kali, Shiv, Durga, everything they worship. And thousands of Ekantiki Brahmana, maybe we will get one Sambhedi Brahmana. Sambhedi Brahmana means they will expert the reciting the mantras. Mantra उच्चारण में वो लोग भी एक्सपर्ट प्रपार
Takes many years.
Sometimes Western devotee also perform fire sacrifice. I cannot understand what the mantra they are chanting. Pronunciation Sanskrit. Understand? The pronunciation is not perfect. But Lord accepts their mood. If they are mood, if no mood, how to accept? That is another question. But I have to chant the proper mantra. Chant proper mantra. For this regard, they complain without taking the birth of Brahman family. So how possible you will perform fire sacrifice? Smart Brahmana, they complain. How possible this guy not chanting proper pronunciation of mantra? So how possible Lord will accept? Lord accept his mood, but Lord accept whose mood? If you high class and very simple, then good. If you not high class Brahmana, so how possible accept your mood? Then another question comes. For this regard, Smarta Brahmana, they complain. If you have chant mantra properly. If you not follow the four principles, this is also another one. They complain. But Brahmanas, what is called? Vaishnavas, they give the some concession. Okay. Because Lord is very merciful. But Smarta Brahmana, they don't accept. How to do puja, purpose. Rules is there. How many times taking the ghee lamps, how many of times offering the, what is called, incense, अगरबत्ती कितने बार दिखाना है, कितने बार फोड़, ये सब विधि है ना, और कैसे करना है, कहाँ मैंने देखा एक बार, एक ऐसे चामर ले लिया, चामर लेकर के ऐसे करो, जैसे वो तलवार लेकर के खेलते हैं ना, वो क्या क्या, राजपूत जानते हो? Rajasthan people taking the talwar, the sword and doing this. So sometimes also looking, taking the chamar and doing this. This is not the proper. But Lord, if he is simple, Lord accepts. But if he is not simple, Lord will not accept. This is all. So our scriptures explain this. Rules and regulations follow. कली युग में ब्राह्मण जूते का दुकान करेगा और चमार पुजारी बनेगा. Srimad Bhagavatam saying in Kali Yuga, Brahmanas, they will become shoes maker. Or shoes maker will become pujari. Opposite way. Srimad Bhagavatam discourse this thing. This is that. Shamar पुजारी बन जाएगा. पुजारी शामर बनेगा. ब्राह्मण लिखेंगे. शूज and Chakravarti shoes store. Chakravarti means Brahmana. Chakravarti Brahmana. Shoes store. Shoes maker. Shaman will become Pujari. Now government is very confused. Oh, you cannot say, you cannot tell him he is Shaman. Look at it. So they also are complaining. For this Bhakti Samanta Prabhupada, he manifested what is called Daiva Varnashram. You can take birth any caste and race. According to your qualification, you will belong to that caste and race. This is the main. You can take birth in India or Western country, no problem. But if your pronunciation of mantra's pronunciation is perfect, then you will be Brahmana. They will qualify to worship Thakur. Otherwise, help us. Many questions, they also following the four principles. I don't know, but how? They following the four principles and worship Thakurji nicely, properly. So they are for Brahmana. And many Indian, they are not following the four principles, worship Thakurji, so they are Chama. We are not discrimination to Indian and Western. Only, what do you say? One who qualified, you can go. If you are qualified, you can go. If you are not qualified, how possible? I remember here also, Asram Maharaj, he complained to Maharaj, why here is not the Western devotee worship Thakurji. He also complained. Gurudev told, okay, you can do. If you are qualified, can do. We are not distributed Western and Hindu. But first, have to learn. You have to learn how to worship Thakurji, how to pronunciation of the mantra. Therefore, if you are not learning how to worship, so Gurudev told, Indian Western, this is not our subject. Subject is that how to follow the four principles and how to properly. Because Archan Marga, that is called Vidhi Marga. Archan Marga means you following the regulative principles, Vidhi Marga. अर्चन करने के लिए तुम्हें विधि मार्ग पालन करना पड़ेगा, रेगुलेटिव. Also here is not following rules, what to do. And Pujari should not put the cloth, what is called? Kurta.
Cloth should be not sewed with no stitches.
Stitches.
No top cloth.
Top cloth.
Top cloth.
Pujari should not wear this
Kurta or t-shirt. Only one cloth around his neck. That is called, what is it called? One chadar. Understand? If you go South India, Brahmanas, they are very strict. They are not putting cloth. They only cloth. And one cloth around his neck. Especially if you go what temple? We went. Ananta Padmanabh. The Brahmana is very, very strict. If you go there, take darshan, and gents, not the cloth, only lower cloth. Understand? And some also temple, you have to cover your head with the one cloth. Because maybe your hair will be falling down. Thakurji, for this regard they were. Yeah. I remember I went on the Padmanath. Okay. Only cloth. Yeah, I travel South India everywhere. 2 months. Not 1, 2 months I travel and took darshan all the pilgrimage places of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went there. All pilgrimages. 2 months travel. Actually, also we were saying this is also true. Pujari should not put any cloth which already is called stitches. सिलाई कपड़ा पहनना नहीं चाहिए, जब धोते इसलिए ये टी शर्ट में क्या है, ये है ना अरे ओनली स्पीकिंग, नॉट फॉलोइंग, ओनली लिसनिंग. And how to worship Thakur? Pujari should not put the t-shirt, kurta, and stitch clothes. Only dhoti. And another, because dhoti is not stitched. So I noticed Budhana Maharaj, he did not wear the, what is called, kurta. But he put the sweater. Maybe t-shirt or not, I don't know. But he put also sweater पहन के देखा मैंने. कंबल के लिए मना किया. जैसे the hair of the animals, लोम जाती हो पोशाक नहीं. But also this sweater also stitched or not? One day he asked, well, how to do it? I will become sick. पहनता नहीं है, किंतु कहाँ जाओगे? इंडिया छोड़ के बाहर जाना है तो तुमको पहनना ही पड़ेगा. और इंडिया में ठंडी तो लगता है, इंडिया में किसी बार रहो तो कोई बात नहीं, कम्बल घोड़ करके रहो, किंतु वेस्टर्न कंट्री में तो पहनना ही पड़ेगा. पड़ेगा कि नहीं पड़ेगा? इफ यू ट्रैवल वेस्टर्न कंट्री, यू हैव टू पुट द वुलन क्लॉथ, स्वेटर एंड समथिंग दिस. Also sweater also stitch also. So how to follow that? Some rules are dependent on the climate also. Western, because south they are not actually not too much hot, cold. Yeah. South India mostly it is what? Hot area. For this regard they are very happy. Okay, but they have to come in Punjab. They don't understand.
North from Delhi.
North India. North India very cold. Do we have to put the sweater or not? Gaur Premanande. Today is last day. So कल फरीदाबाद जाना है ना, इसके लिए भी व्यवस्था करना पड़ेगा. कितने भक्त लोग जाएंगे? We'll go for Faridabad. How many gents, how many ladies? इसके लिए भी तो करना पड़ेगा ना, है बस्ता करना पड़ेगा। कितने कार होगा? मेक लिस्ट अगेन, लिस्ट बनाओ, जेंट्स एंड लेडीज, हाउ मेनी जेंट्स, हाउ मेनी लेडीज। टुमारो वी लीव हियर आफ्टर मंगल आरती। Today is free, checking. Not free, very good time.
I will have to find out from Anuradha when the house is available.
Huh?
The house,
Yeah.
when it is available. You know, for the ladies, they've got different accommodation.
अलग है उनका
वो लोग
set.
वो लोग 15 तारीख से देने के लिए बोला था,
What time?
आज तो 16 तारीख। जो पूछो, who arranged this the ladies house for the who arranged the अनुराधा नहीं, वो सुचित्रा व्यवस्था किया। उसके फोन करो, उनके वो घर वो ठीक कर रहे ना, वो तो फ्री में दे रहे हैं। हाँ?
Gurudev, she's asking why we should come for yagya, which benefit?
What benefit? Vishnu, Yagya is Vishnu. Yagya is Vishnu. Vishnu is Yagya. So if you offer to him, Vishnu will please with you. If you attend fire sacrifice, Vishnu will please with you.
Will be pleased.
Huh?
Will be pleased.
Yeah, Vishnu will be pleased with you. चलो मनुष्य नहीं हाँ? आप लोग घर कब जा रहे? कल जाओगे या आज जाओगे? हैं? कल जाओगे।
Samavedic Brahmanas means he knows Samaveda and knows Samaveda.
They know all Vedas, but they're expert in Samaveda. That means they're not only Samaveda, they know Samaveda, but expert.
Because Samavedic and like Trivedi, Chaturvedi, so who is higher?
Samavedi Brahman is higher.
Is highest of all.